What is actor.ph? Dito, ito ang pinaka-importante. Our members page. Currently, because of the information that we need, 20 pa lang ang nai-upload natin. Bakit nga ba 20 lang? I-click na natin muna si Tito Pip. Si Tito Pip ang gawin nating example. O, di ba ang galing ko? Nakiklik ko siya kahit malayo ako. Tirsa Cruz III. Pag nag-hover ka over his name, Facebook, Instagram ni Tito Pip, Twitter, nandyan na. Lagot kayo. May TikTok si Tito Pip. Di ba? And, naku, ano kaya ito? Mamaya explain natin kung ano yan. So, our actor profile is this. Pag inangat mo yan, makikita agad ang inyong mga litratong ibibigay nyo sa amin. Lahat po ng mga litratong to galing sa inyo. So, curated mo to as an actor, okay? O, di ba? Pictorial na pictorial si Tito Pip. And next to that is an actor's reel. Because all actors need their reels. Example ng ano natin yan, ng trabaho natin. If you don't have an actor's reel, tatanggap po kami ng mga trailer kung saan kayo featured. But that's important. So, later we will discuss the actor's reel. Click natin tong isa. Ang Probinsyano. Lalabas ngayon ang page ng Probinsyano, including its trailers, at Diyos ko, ang dami pala nating actor members na nandito, at dito mo makikita kung saan ang inyong pelikula or TV show at kung anong role ang nandun ka. Guys, importante rin na pag nag-submit kayo sa amin ng pictures, skills ng trabaho. Parang yung kay Nico, importante dito na may skills sa trabaho. I-click naman natin. Suki na tayo kay Coco Sa Batang Quiapo naman, ang dami rin nating mga artista na member ng Batang Quiapo. Makikita natin, parang, ay kasama ko pala si Ron Chara dyan, ay kasama pala si Cherry Pie dyan. So, yan ang isa sa mga key features ng website natin, is integration. We know which website we are part of, which movies and films and TV shows we are part of. Newsroom, of course, this is our public-facing newsletter. Makikita lahat ng mga nagawa na natin. So, nandiyan na yan kasi ang ating archives, yung mga past chikas ng aktor, they're all going to be here. Yung napanood yung orientation reel kanina, ilalagay din natin yan sa website na yan dahil syempre ngayon lang natin yung dinebut. So, hindi pa natin na idadagdag sa website na yan. And then, of course, the next media gallery, we have behind the scenes of our headshots. And then our past GAs is also in the website. So all pictures, all of this are clickable. And then, for our partners, ayan, diba? Itong sa partners, importante din. For our partners, guys, we've linked your websites to our web page. So, if they just hover over their names or your position in our website, they will bring us instantly to your website. So, lahat po ng aspeto ng actor website is clickable. Unlike the others na parang, ano ba ito, saan ba ako pupunta? Pag pumunta ka dito, click, meron ka ng pupuntahan. Ayan. And then, of course, like in-explain kanina ni Doc, our About Us page, importante ito, who we are and what we do. So our mission, our vision, pero short lang ha, kasi TLDR, di ba? Parang ayoko naman mag-scroll para lang malaman kung sino kami. But they're all here. They're all here in our About Us page. Pag-click mo yan, yan lang ang may drop-down menu. Because About Us is who we are, ayan. Ang ating board of directors na, of course, pinictorial ko na lahat yan, di ba? So, andyan sila lahat. And our executive committee, who are also, almost all here, no? Si Jazz lang ang wala. At saka si Ron, hindi ko pa nakikita si Ron. Oo, sorry, ako yung iba yung picture kasi hindi pa ako napipictorial. Busy guys, busy. So, and then, who we are, and what we do. Ito yung importante. Dito naka-archive lahat ng mga nagawa na natin in the past. Yung mga vaccination programs, yung anti-red tagging. It's all here. It's all in one place, guys. So, you can't miss it in our website. But wait. There's more. Nakakala nyo ito? Ito na siya. All actor members will have their own digital set cards. These are A5 size, which is standard set card size. You can download these And they're all going to be available with your profile. All set cards will have their corresponding QR codes. The QR code on the physical set card or on the digital set card will bring you directly to your personal profile page. So nakaganon-ganon, connect na yan, guys. These set cards you can download and that you can distribute, or you can show the link to potential casters. Meron din syempre mobile because we're living in a mobile world. So lahat ng yan, guys, ganito ang magiging itsura sa inyong mga cellphone. iPhone man yan or Android. Na-test ko na yan. Vivo din. Yes, Miss Marian, nasa Vivo din yan. Ganyan din sa Vivo. Bongga. Optimized siya for mobile, optimized din siya. And same features. All clickable, all hoverable, even your digital set cards. Pwede nyo nang i-screen grab yan on the phone. Click natin si Nico ulit para lang makita. So what's for phase 2? Website improvement. Of course, sa 20, ilalagay natin yung to 200 kasi 200 strong na tayo. So gaganda pa yan, pictures, more activities will be there. Member portal. All members in phase 2 will have absolute access to their information. So pwede ka nang mag-log in, pwede mo nang i-edit yon, at saka pwede mo nang magdagdag at magbigay ng mga additional information about you. Ay, nawala. Balik tayo. Ayun. Balik muna tayo. Ayan. So, that's phase 2 and phase 3. So, next. Member portal. Ang third natin is yung set cards. Set cards are going to be downloadable. Don't worry about that. Optimize search. Importante to, guys. In the future, kung casting agent ako, kailangan ko ng babae, 18 to 25 years old para sa pelikula ko. Isa-search ko siya sa actor website at lalabas lahat ng mga available actors na pwede for that role. So that's going to be an optimized thing for everyone para madali na sa casting. And we have 2 more, I think. And 1 more after that. Our optimized search. And actor tindahan, magkakaroon na rin tayo ng link sa ating Easter on our website. Ready na po yan. Ready na tayong tumanggap ng mga tindahan sa aktor. And if you wanna check your phones right now, guys, actor.ph is live.